Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can signing in into Google services, Google apps or Google sites without signing into your Google browser or Chrome browser. So in case you use your friend laptop, your friend PC, and you need to log in or sign in into your Google Mail account, you don't need to sign in into Chrome. So in order to do that, you can click on three dot at the top corner of your screen. Then you can click settings, and here we go. You can click synchronize and Google services. Here you can turn off this. So by turning this off, allow Chrome sign-in option, you can sign in to Google sites like Gmail without signing into Chrome. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.